purpose of this business case is to demonstrate the benefits that the BIGG platform brings to aggregating, harmonizing, and analyzing data from energy efficiency certificates of buildings. So far, more than 1 million certificates have been registered in ICANN's database. For some time now, attempts have been made to process this large volume of data, trying to cross-reference it with other information to extract interesting insights for the management of the territory. However, it has been a complicated task due to the lack of data harmonization and the sheer volume of data that needs to be processed. The main data involved in this business case are tertiary and residential building certification data. These data have been obtained from two main sources. The first source is the Open Data System of Generalitat de Catalunya, which provides summary data of all the building energy certificates registered in Catalonia. A client API has been developed in the BIGG platform to systematically retrieve this data. The second source is the XML files that come out of the energy certification programs. In the BIGG platform, a web form has been enabled where these files can be uploaded. An ingestor has been developed to collect and process these files in the backend of the application. In the BIGG project, the necessary components have been created in the ontology of the BIGG for Buildings data model to host the energy efficiency certificates data from these two sources. Mappers have been developed to transform the initial data into the BIGG ontology format, ensuring data harmonization. This business case is composed of two use cases that leverage building energy certificate data combined with other sources to obtain different results.
In this use case, we will explore how the integration of energy performance certificate data with georeferenced data in INSPIRE format, especially cadastral data, can provide valuable insight and benefits. Cadastral data of buildings in Spain can be found in INSPIRE format on the cadastral website, following a standard ontology used throughout Europe. The advantage of this georeferenced data is direct link with the energy performance certificate data. To obtain and harmonize this data, we have developed an ingestor to retrieve the cadastral data and mappers to harmonize into BIGG data model format, using components developed within the project. The technical solution to enhance building energy certificates management is the creation of centralized data repository. This repository contains harmonized data linked to cadastral data in INSPIRE format, enabling efficient geospatial processing of certificates. The BIGG project has made significant advancements in collecting, storing, and processing building energy certificates. One major improvement is the efficient geolocation of certificates, enabling agile and robust visualization, search, and georeferenced processing. A specialized viewer is used to present the data graphically, facilitating exploration for both technical and general users. Specially based questions can be easily answered, such as the location of certificates, energy demand trend across regions, energy rating of buildings in different areas, and identifying areas for target improvement policies. The application allows the visualization extracted from the data, providing valuable insights. The integration of BIGG data model with linked data sources like GeoNames, Wikidata, OpenStreetMaps, and linked open data of Barcelona City Council enables the extraction of interesting information from energy efficiency certificates. Additionally, the integration of EPCs with cadastral in INSPIRE format enables evaluating the number and surface area of building roofs suitable for self-consumption photovoltaic installation. This application has been tested focused on the roof of the Generalitat of Catalonia buildings. The results of use case 3 consist of a harmonized repository linked in INSPIRE, facilitating the georeferenced exploration of energy certificates. Storing the data in graph format enables linking with other graph databases, enriching studies conducted on energy certificates of building in an agile manner. The integration of energy performance certificate data with georeferenced INSPIRE format data brings immense benefits, helping address challenge and opening new opportunities for efficient building energy management.
This use case seeks to expand the core indicators of the building certification according to the European levels framework. The main objective is to improve the exploration indicators that can be extracted from the Building Performance Certification Registry by exploring the indicators of the current BPC and aligning them with those marked by levels. Levels is a common EU framework to measure the environmental performance of buildings with a life cycle approach. Levels consist of 16 core indicators that can be aggregated within 6 macro-objectives. First, greenhouse gas emissions along a building life cycle. Then, resource efficient and circular material life cycles. Third, efficient use of water resources. The fourth is health and comfortable spaces. The fifth, its adaptation and resilience to climate change. And finally, it's the optimized life cycle cost and value. The work first focused on defining which of the level indicators require information that was available to the current energy performance certificate. After defining the limitations of information, an extra source of information were defined. This process highlighted which indicators could be calculated with the current and external sources and which could not. Only the first 3 macro objectives had some information relevant to the current EPCs. With the BIGG platform's capabilities in aggregating, harmonizing, and analyzing energy efficiency certificate data, we can unlock valuable insights for the efficient building management, indicating which path needs to be followed to cross the bridge between the current EPC and levels. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting use cases that demonstrate the power of the BIGG platform.